perfect hunters. The predatory cats are almost always carnivores. Their magnificent hunting technique has placed them at the peak of the food chain in every continent and in many habitats. All species possess very powerful muscular bodies, sharp teeth and claws, good senses, and fast reflexes. Despite their heavy frames, they are good climbers and even excellent swimmers. Although jaguars are diurnal, they nevertheless spend half the day at rest, as we see here. A black panther is actually a leopard with too much dark pigmentation. The coat appears to be completely black, although the coat's spotted pattern is always recognizable in certain light. In the case of leopards, the black coloring is caused by a recessive, albeit not outwardly visible, gene. This recessive gene can also exist in normal colored leopards without actually having any influence on the yellow of the coat.